Oh my god. There's a lot of very smart.
Got the paperwork. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna keep the camera with me today. Welcome to this vlog. Let's see if he a real or not. I told my dad about it, so my dad don't think I really hate him or nothing. So we gonna see if Jackson a real nigga today. Put in the comment section you think he gonna hold it down. Put in the comment section right now. I think he gonna hold it down. But if you don't, put in the comment section, say Jackson gonna fold in the comment sections right now. But we about to get ready to leave, so I'm gonna hit y'all when we get in the car.
So I was talking
Car
about
on our way to the show.
see these groups.
Hey Jack, you folded. I gotta tell you something now.
Yeah, they color code the ground.
All that stuff I was saying in my room was a prank, bro. I was trying to see if you would go back and tell people, see how solid you was. And it turns out, you're not solid, James.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You got L.
You just told Nana what I said.
I didn't say that about anybody else.
But I told you don't tell nobody nothing. You can't pick and choose what you snitch on.
Well, the good thing is none of them know what the hell he says, so he saves himself.
Boy, if you don't...
Come on, man.
Well, Jack's folded. So on with the rest of the vlog. Folder boy, folder boy. Folder boy.
It was just a freaking prank. I'm gonna get you back.
Jackson folded
I'll get you back.
because it's this little challenge we be doing on YouTube where they talk stuff about like somebody to like a little kid and see if the little kid will go back and tell. I told Jackson, I said, you know, I don't like Pops. He always think he just so cool with his car. He always matching. We taking steps. We taking steps. I don't know what she thought this was. You.
What you
like,
talking
cock your
about?
head.
I was fixing my ponytail. I stopped because you was filming me fixing my ponytail.
She cocked her head.
Let me see it. I cocked my head because I was like, what is he doing?
This fly guy right here trying to walk off fast. Him in the folder boy.
The little boy gonna fall.
Little do he know.
I mean, Michael, you're gonna step on his strings.
Little do he know. His grandson is a snitch. His grandson is a snitch. He doesn't even know.
No, he don't. He his uncle's an ass.
Jackson the snitcher boy. He said he gonna get me back. So I guess I'll put Jackson's YouTube description in this. Look at this view. Look at this view of my city. Those of y'all who've never been to beautiful Dayton, Ohio, this is what beautiful Dayton, Ohio looks like.
But it's pretty good.
We got nice weather. We got a whole bunch of stuff like this. We're on our way to a car show. I don't know if they'll let me bring my camera through the door, so I'm gonna put it in my pocket and I'm gonna pull it out when I get back in there. I was challenged to a scavenger hunt. If I find all this stuff, I get a TV. But we're gonna help Jackson find it. We're gonna help Jackson find this
That
stuff.
one might be out of my
I need 55 inches.
That's what I said. I was showing you.
What's that?
It's nice, isn't it?
So your stuff don't
So your
slide
stuff
around?
don't
And
slide
it
around.
comes with this already.
Yes.
That's what I need for the...
You can get inside these cars?
Yeah.
What if they got like a luxury car?
This
Hey,
one looks nice.
if they have a G-Wagon, I'm gonna pass
This
out.
one got 3 months.
I used to have one of these.
Cap.
Sorry, right there.
We found one of the grills.
That's not it. It's a diamond.
No, we didn't. I really want a 55-inch TV. I really want one. This isn't it. I will slap the duty out of every single. We found it! Can't believe it. Guys, we found it. Now we're looking for.
Anyone y'all run into? One of them got a BMW grill on.
That wasn't it. Oh my gosh. I really don't like this treasure hunt, but I really want this 55-inch TV. They move like slugs. They move like slugs, guys.
I understand that word better than you.
He really ain't gonna drive it. It's an auto show.
Oh my God.
Kind of give you Range vibes. This almost like a Range Rover. What you think of like Range Rover? There's some heat right here. Y'all imagine me vlogging in this? We got content in this, so they got the cup holders, got the shit in it. Turn it with this. Y'all keep on liking, commenting, subscribing, and I'm gonna be in some shit like this one day. And it's gonna be because of y'all. It's gonna be because of y'all support of why I'm in one of these one day. Hold on.
Somebody said, "You want to hear Mom sit down?" I said, "I wouldn't come all this way to jump in that." Look at that little bit thing they crawling in.
Get in there, Jack.
Get in there, Jack. You gotta take a picture.
Oh, Jackson got him a new car.
Come over here.
Let me be your passenger. I'm gonna get in the passenger side. Oh, wait. I'm your passenger, Jackson. I'm your passenger. You gotta put your hand on the steering wheel. If you're driving.
No cameras in my car.
No cameras in your car. Ooh, okay. This is the Batmobile. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Look at there.
With that one. Michael.
All right, I'm back.
Michael.
That's somebody's car.
60,000. Somebody bought it
actually
and
somebody's
actually let him use it for the car show. 59.9. He said he got to guard that with his life. That's why can't nobody get close to it.
Whoa.
What, baby?
I keep having my camera low though, because I don't want to get nobody else in it and somebody get mad because I got them in my stuff. There's all these cars.
We got a lot of room back here.
You like this car, Jack?
He said, no, take a picture.
You gonna get one of those? Tell him about the car show, Jack. Tell him.
It's the best thing ever.
What all you see?
We saw this lime green car. Oh, and guess what? If we win this scavenger hunt, we get a 55-inch TV.
Gang. So we here with my dream car. I always wanted to do this. They didn't let me inside of a Range Rover. Whoa, it's bad. They didn't let me inside of a Range Rover.
When you get one of these, I'll ride with you. Why is it so close? Everything's so close.
Oh, this is nice. Could you imagine me one of these?
Look.
69. It's 69.
69,000?
Uh-huh.
Oh, this ain't bad. I'm gonna hop in this one. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. I'm right here. Let me hop in the bigger one, the big great thing. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy. I can get some good content in here. Look, I can get some good quality content in here. I like this. I like this a lot. I can get some content in here. I can talk about shit, pranks, vlogs, everything in here. So keep comment, like, and subscribing, and I'm gonna get one of these for sure.